Welcome, where we're diving into the fascinating world of the tomato hornworm. These large, green caterpillars are the larvae of the five-spotted hawk moth, found throughout North America. Tomato hornworms begin their life as tiny eggs laid on the underside of leaves. As they grow, they become notorious for their insatiable appetite for tomato plants, consuming entire leaves, stems, and even green tomatoes. In the photo displayed in the video, you might notice small, white attachments on a hornworm's back. These are parasitic wasp cocoons, a natural form of pest control. A single hornworm can grow up to 4 inches long in just a few weeks, rapidly consuming plant matter. Incredibly, these caterpillars can strip a plant bare in just a few days, leaving behind only stems and a few tattered leaves. The damage shown here happened in just a short time, highlighting the rapid and destructive feeding habits of these fascinating creatures. Here you can see the distinctive dark droppings left behind by tomato hornworms. These droppings, known as frass, are a telltale sign of their presence. They often accumulate on the leaves and ground beneath infested plants, providing a clear indication of the caterpillar's feeding activity. The frass contains partially digested plant material. Initially green like the tomato plants that were eaten, it dries to a light brown and then darker. In the photo displayed in the video, you might notice small, white attachments on a hornworm's back. They are cocoons. The wasps lay their eggs on it, and as the wasp larvae grow, they consume the hornworm from the inside out, eventually killing it. Despite their somewhat gruesome fate, hornworms play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They serve as a food source for birds and other predators. However, in your garden, they can be a formidable opponent. The damage you see here, with leaves stripped down to the stem and fruits partially eaten, was caused by just a few hornworms in a matter of days. These caterpillars can consume vast amounts of foliage rapidly, leading to significant damage if left unchecked. Understanding their life cycle and identifying them early can help in managing their impact on your garden. Stay tuned as we explore more about these intriguing creatures and their role in the garden ecosystem.